These are my original trumpet vines, which I started from small twiggy plants about 6 years ago. They got a couple blooms in the second year, but a nice full bloom in the third year. We have our trumpet vine conveniently placed just outside the sliding glass door, and we can see the pond from here and the trumpet vine, which is great because we can see the birds coming and going. Hummingbird shows up while we're eating lunch. We'll see it here at the trumpet vine, or other birds and animals that show up at the pond. Easy to view from the kitchen table. Very convenient spot. So my trumpet vines are blooming, they're real nice, and you can see there's ants all over them, and the ants tend to the flower buds. Now these attract hummingbirds not only for the nectar that's in the trumpet flower, but also for the ants. Hummingbirds are attracted to red flowers and red objects, so that's why we got this hummingbird feeder.